What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on natural gas prices.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news was the catalyst and is the catalyst for these three assets, ticker symbol BOIL, ticker symbol NATGAS and NATGAS futures. And what will be the potential next movement from the technical standpoint. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and drop me a line in the comment section for whatever reasons you want. So let's start with the price chart. As I already mentioned, I cover three ticker symbols. It is a leveraged ETF BOIL, it is a NATGAS spot prices and NATGAS futures. And let's start with the NATGAS future prices. I made my previous video right here, let me show you this exact point, when we bounced off this range of support, and this range of support is nothing else but a line which is connecting, let me show you more thoroughly, which is connecting all the bottoms, right, as you can see right here, right here, right here, and three bottoms right here. And this was quite strong range of support, and my main assumption was that potentially we might have bounced out of this range. And then right before the contract switch, we have to see another spike in its price that potentially might reach even the lower border of this channel that we had previously. And this border could be a range of resistance. But as you can see, instead of moving higher from this very point, we broke this range of support to the downside. But then when the contract was switched, we have movement to the upside, and it didn't reach the level of resistance that I marked previously. But in general, it gained, let me show you, about 10% to the upside. And right after that, it fell down again to the ranges of about $2.77 mark. And for now, this asset is in quite tricky situation, and everything regarding this asset I will show you in just several minutes. So let's continue with the BOIL, ticker symbol BOIL. And this is the most interesting price action for now. As you can see, if my assumption is correct and we are forming the movement to the downside, and for now, at the point where I made my previous video, my main assumption was that we should have a retracement to the upside, and if it was the real range of support, and if it was the pivot point, we had to see a bounce to the upside that potentially might hit negative 0.236 and 0.382 levels. But instead of this, we are still moving south, and I've told you, according to RSI, let me delete this line. According to RSI, I've told you that we have very strong range of support. As you can see, I connected this at that moment, these three bottoms, and I've told you that most likely we shouldn't break it. But if the price goes lower and this and RSI is not breaking this range, we will have much higher chances to see a major spike in its price to the upside. But again, everything in just several minutes. And the third ticker symbol is NATGAS spot prices. And I made my previous video at this point when we were retesting the range of support. It is the lower border of this channel. And this price action was the least predictable because we didn't have enough volume to confirm any type of trends. But at the same time, let me show you more thoroughly. In the video before my previous video, somewhere at this point, I've told you that this asset, as you can see, it bounced off the range of support, the lower border of this channel again. And I drew this channel by connecting these tops and projected to this bottom. And we have another confirmation point of this channel, as you can see, this previous swing high. And I've told you that right after this bounce to the upside, if I pull the Fib retracement tool from this swing high to this swing low, this asset reached exactly golden pocket range. And this is the second accumulation point for algorithms with the price target of negative 0.236. And guys, look how cool is that. We hit exactly this range, we hit it to the tick and had a reaction. This reaction is nothing else but a position close price action from algorithms who added their short position at this point. And for now we unloaded this bearish pressure, but this asset is still moving south, and in just several minutes I will show you what should we expect. So let me show you what news is the catalyst for this asset right now. On Wall Street, the Wall Street Journal, we had this news that was published on November 28, and unfortunately I don't have the access behind the paywall, but the title speaks by itself. Mild weather forecasts keep pressure on natural gas. Let me show you another article that was published just several hours ago, and it says natural gas price tends to decline. Analysis December the 1st, 2023. And here you can see the same price chart that we have on futures. As you can see, NG1 exclamation mark. We have exactly the same range of support that was broken, and I've told you about this. And we also have this breakout below this range. And I have to say that this forecast is not the best one. And on ticker symbol BOIL, I will show you what I'm talking about. And let me show you this article. In my opinion, it is the most interesting one because it reflects my personal due diligence on this asset. Natural gas prices forecast, balancing supply, demand, and weather ahead of EIA report. US gas prices rise ahead of EIA weekly storage report amid volatility from warm weather and a bearish short-term but bullish long-term forecast. And here is the three main bullet points. Gas storage levels 8% above average, impacting prices. Market volatility expected due to weather demand changes. Short-term bearish outlook despite long-term optimism. And in my opinion, it is a very interesting point. For now, we are reaching this very interesting point when we might have a very good, we might make a very good gains with leveraged ETF. And why I think so, guys? Again, it is not a financial advice, but we have to see a retracement to the upside to retrace at least this movement from this top to this bottom, which leads to decrease in its price for about 50%. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. And guys, I don't see the completed structure of this movement, and this quite harsh decrease in its price gives us a very interesting opportunity, because if I show you the RSI price action at the RSI action as well, we are still forming the bullish divergence, and bullish divergence is the sign when you can find higher highs on RSI and higher lows on RSI with the lower lows on the price action. This means we are approaching to the trend reversal, and because of this basically quite harsh movement to the downside, you can accumulate your position incrementally to the downside, because I cannot tell you where might be the trend reversal. And if I project it with another tool, if this is the first wave and this is the second, we can project that potentially as you can see, we already hit 1.618, and the next level which we might hit according to this tool is quite low, about $20. I don't think that we might hit this low price target. That's why it is very debatable to rely on this tool. But in general, I have to say that the U-turn is near. And that is why if you accumulate your position down incrementally, depending on the range where we might land, we might have quite substantial spike in its price to the upside. That at least might bring you, if let's assume that the trend reversal might be at current price range, that at least might bring you, let me show you like this, up to 22% of potential profit to the first price target, and up to 37% to the second price target. And I think it's quite a decent setup, but it is not a financial advice. Do your own due diligence. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.